refund. What up, bro? Yeah, that ass fat. Boo-boo, he ass watching. Here's the BMW to get my refund, fam. I've been waiting on it a month. Yes, pay up. The little minutes on hard. Yes, sir. Come on with that cash out your ass, road show. Boy, they're pretty clean in that gray. Yes, sir. Coupe thingies. That's how they do the cars out the showroom floor. Yeah. Motherfucker, here so hard. Jesus. 71K 23. Yes, sir. Boy, that is nasty on the insides. Hey, pretty good. Come on, you can't keep BE on the clock now. What's up? You doing all right today, man?
Man, I'm all right. I'm good.
She probably don't know your name because she know my last name. She probably don't know you too. Yes, sir. No.
What's going on?
The refund. She wanna be on camera so bad. What's the ticket on this joint? 122, 2026, boy. Hard. With the bow on it. Clean. It's 7 black. Yes, sir. I'm back in here. Back in here. Love this color right here. Nice. So this is how they bring them in. Yes, sir. Love this color on that joint. Raw. Raw dog. You like that, John Poo Poo? It's a 2023. 22, I mean. What up, bro? Yeah, that ass fat. Woo! Boo-boo, he ass watching you. Him up there. Bad up there. That white junk hard. I like this junk. $72K, 2026 H3 M50. Yes, sir. M50 boy. Raw dog. Rowie. What's this over here? Boy, here's so nasty. Got to be the M5. Ooh, shit. Ooh, him nasty there. Yes, sir, him nasty there, man. Golly. $5.40, $5.50E. Clean. Clean, clean, clean. Clean, clean, clean. New 5 Series. The new 5 Series, man. Clean. Got plenty of them 5s up here. Oh, what's this? What's this? We twinning, cuz. Twin! Twin got them guts in there. Oh, this is 7.5. This the little dad. Ain't the big dad. But we damn near twinning, cuz. Damn near twinning. Twin. Yes, sir. Give me that motherfucking cash. At your ass. Yes, sir. Look at him up there. He ain't on nothing. It's a nice color. Like the wheels. FedEx. Just like that, I'm gone. Won't you smile a while for me? Smile. In the cut.